Hello everyone and welcome to Cloud Bridge. Today is Monday, 28th of August. Let's go into check with the dollar index. So we mentioned this level over here that we smashed very nicely and strong. For the moment, I remained here, my structural level. If we break that level, we might see a change in the structure for the dollar. That level is the 103, let's say even. If we break that, we might see a change in the structure, but for the moment, I remain bullish with dollar. Dollar in 1 hour, we can see very nice uptrend, okay? Very nice structure going to the upside. For the moment, I see dollar going to the upside, and I repeat, in 1 hour, as long as we don't break this level, I will continue personally looking for bullish opportunities with dollar. Gold in daily, we broke this level that we mentioned before. We closed below this level, and after that we had 4 bullish days in a row, okay? So we rejected this level and came back into this range, okay? For the moment, if you ask me, I would say gold can still go to the downside. I don't think we are right now bullish with gold. Gold in 1 hour, as we can appreciate, we had very nice bullish moves, okay, at least for the short term. And after this is the structural level in 1 hour. We broke it on Friday extremely strong. So for the moment, I believe we are going to the downside and we're going to have another bearish week for gold, okay? That's my personal opinion. GBP JPY in daily, we can appreciate, of course, the 184 level that we mention a lot. We are for the moment trying to find some support over here maybe and continue the upside move. As I said the previous week, I don't see anything going to the downside with this pair. We might see some short-term moves to the downside, but long-term I will of course remain bullish with this pair. GBP JPY in 1 hour. Take a look over here. We had this low to high, low, high. This is kind of a range, okay? After we had this beautiful downside move the previous Wednesday, very strong. This, I believe, is like a consolidation, I repeat. So for the moment, I would like to have some information during the week to see if we can go to the upside or if we're having some short-term moves to the downside. But I repeat, I remain bullish in the long term. Euro USD, we mentioned this level over here and we broke it very nicely the previous week, okay? For the moment, I see opposite scenario, of course, than dollar index. Euro USD is going to the downside, okay? And my personal structural level will be this one, okay? This is, let's say, the 109.30. If we break that level, we might see a change in the structure, but for the moment, I remain bearish. Euro USD in 1 hour, very nice downside moves, very nice structure to the downside. We might see over here a change in the structure in 1 hour, short term to the upside, but for the moment, I repeat, I remain bearish with this pair. GBP USD, we can appreciate very similar situation than Euro USD, but if you ask me personally, I would say this is a much more stronger USD. This is very strong. We had this beautiful Thursday with amazing downside moves. For the moment, I remain bearish with GBP USD and my structural level is over here. This is the 128 even. GBP USD in 1 hour, very nice downside moves. We can see over here this beautiful Wednesday bearish. We had Thursday bearish and Friday bearish, okay? Strongly we're going to the downside with GBP USD. I remain bearish until I see a change in the structure in the 128 level, okay? That's my personal hypothesis. I hope you enjoyed this. Have a nice trading week and be safe.